Alright guys, my son, the collector of blue, who's imitating me, is waffling off one of these Anthin team stamp blah blah blahs. Alright, let's scroll down here and get our list. We've got a 1 through 50. Let's get a start time. Alright, your start time is coming in at 11:28. He's got 3 pages of proof. He said that there's other shit mixed in here. Rookie on a rookie page. Random. Green lock. It's secure. There's your refresh. We've got a 1 through 50. Good luck, guys. Number 19. 19 is taking this new Anthin thing down. 11:29. What the hell did I say it was? 19. 19. Let's see who got lucky number 19. I pull that all the time. That's gonna be Bill. Don't know which Bill that is. I'm gonna say Bill Hawes, maybe? I don't know. We shall see. End statement coming in at 11:30. Thanks, guys.